Begin afresh every morning with brushstrokes of God's love. Devotional Thoughts for Women.
Good morning, dear friends. Today, July 19th, our devotion is entitled, Let Us Rescue Femininity. Our scripture reading is from Genesis 1:27. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God he created him, male and female he created them. The first rescue parents should do when raising a daughter is to instill in her the true concept of femininity. In a world that leads toward the unisex, the feminine and masculine seem to be blurred without recognizing that this is where human beings find their identity. Many women today don't appreciate the femininity they possessed by creation. Perhaps they believe that it makes them inferior to men. Fathers and mothers who raise daughters should do so through daily care and example, so these little girls can grow up with a right concept of what it means to be a woman. In such conditions, the life's scale will move in balance and a common route will be drawn where men and women walk together toward personal fulfillment without competition and without disqualifying one another. Femininity is lacking in a society where masculinity has been overburdened. The man's strength, united with the woman's strength, will manage to move on in this life and also in the one to come. This very basic concept is made real when a climate of respect and consideration for individual differences is created in the home. A Christian father who recognizes that femininity is the creation of God knows that masculinity isn't a synonym of power and that authority isn't exercised with blows or violence. On the other hand, a Christian mother recognizes the importance of modeling traits of femininity before her daughter with simplicity and in harmony with a vision of life that is inclusive and not exclusive. Mothers, treat your daughters in such a way that they will love who they are and how they are, so that they will never think that they have to resort to act like men in order to be respected and valued. There is a great waste of energy in trying to be what we are not. When we choose to act as masculine, the waste of energy is immense and we end up getting sick. Let us not force our daughters to be what they are not. Let us not demand that they live for what they were not made for. Let us allow them to be born and flourish under our care, allowing the divine gardener to cultivate them and make them bloom all their essence for his glory and honor. So, God created man in his own image. In the image of God he created him. Male and female he created them. Genesis 1:27.